Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect OneDrive Personal Vault to protect sensitive files. Complete guide. To connect OneDrive Personal Vault and protect your sensitive files, begin by ensuring you have a OneDrive account. Open the OneDrive app or visit the OneDrive website using your preferred browser. Sign in to your OneDrive account with your email and password. Once logged in, locate the Personal Vault option in the left sidebar. Click on the Personal Vault icon to start the setup process. If prompted, read the information about Personal Vault and click Get Started. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity. You may need to use two-factor authentication through your phone or email. Once your identity is confirmed, choose a strong password for your Personal Vault. This password will be used in addition to your device's sign-in method for an extra layer of security. After setting up the password, click Next to proceed. Your Personal Vault is now created. To add files, navigate to the Personal Vault folder. You can drag and drop files directly into this folder or use the Upload button. Select the sensitive files you want to protect and confirm the upload. Your files are now securely stored in Personal Vault. Remember that you can access Personal Vault on various devices as long as you are logged in. Always ensure your device is secure when accessing Personal Vault. If you ever need to change your password, you can do so in the OneDrive settings. Regularly review the files stored in your Personal Vault to maintain organization and security. Congratulations, you have successfully connected OneDrive Personal Vault to protect your sensitive files. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.